Let's see how to install a flat beading on a single drawer front edge. Beading and molding strips are available in running feet and are not more than 8 feet in height. Measure and calculate all the length where it is going to be fixed. This will determine the total length of the strips you need to purchase. Consider buying a little extra length than you need. Before you start, ensure the backside of your beading is smooth and even. If it is slightly uneven, use a smoothing plane to smoothen it. Using a measuring tape, measure the length of the drawer edge from side to side. Cut the strips to this measurement. You will need a set of 2 strips of the same size. One set will fit on the top and bottom edge, while the other will fit on the side edges. Check and ensure that they are accurate. Give a miter cut to the corners of the strips. To miter cut your beading, use a bevel edge chisel to make a 45-degree miter angle cut on the corner of the beading strips. Dry fit the 2 pieces to check the accuracy. Once satisfied, apply glue on the inner side of the strip and place them on the face side edge of the drawer and align them properly to its edge. Press them and drive in some wire nails to strengthen it. Next, go on to fix the side edge strip. Here, you need to ensure that both the miter cuts are seamlessly joined with each other at the corner. while they are aligned to the edge of the drawer. Similarly, go on and fix the other sides and you are done. You can choose to polish or stain the beading to match the drawer's finish in contrasting colors for a more dramatic effect.